Hey, T-Got. Hey, T-Got. T-Got. What do you have set up for us today? Where is this guy? Are we recording? What? We're T-Got, why are we recording? Where are you at? What is this? You guys know what this is? It's a fan. T-Got, what are we doing, man? Why do we have a fan over here? Wait a minute. Okay. Hey, I think I got this figured out. T-Got, are you gonna ask me to open that PS5? Better not be asking me to open. He's gonna ask me to open the PS5. All right, I guess we're doing this. Logic and Binary here at LB Dexter. We got T-Got finally in the house. Everything was set up. Jeez, I like it. T-Got, go put some clothes on, man. What did I tell you about that? We on the show, man. I know they can't see you. Anyways, it's obvious. He's gonna ask me to open up a PS5 and put this thing in there. Do you have a PS5? Mm-hmm. Can I have it? Don't know which clothes is. Don't know where PS5 is. All right. Okay. Sorry, he's camera shy. Okay, so we have our handy dandy PS5 here. We're gonna go ahead and install, I guess would be the correct word, and not external. Oh, expandable storage SSD. So this is a Samsung 1 terabyte SSD, whatever. You need heatsink, and that's basically what we have here. So that's the reason we have out there. Unfortunately, this SSD does not come with heatsink, but when you do go out and buy it, if you go out and buy one, make sure it has heatsink. Log on to the I recommend that you log on to the PlayStation website. They have a video of how to install this. Just go over it after you watch this video. Go over that just so you could get a better idea of what's going on. It's not a big deal. It really looks simple. We're gonna find out today. I have not done this. I have not practiced this. This thing is sealed. This thing has not been opened. So this will be my first time, and you all get to experience it along with me. There are requirements. You do have to log on to Sony afterwards and ask for the beta software or something like that. So make sure you do all that. I'm not gonna go over any of that. I'm just gonna show you how easy or how difficult it is to get this thing in there. T-Got, I'm gonna go ahead and give these back to you. I don't know what you use, what you actually cool off with those, but like I said, I have very minimal information on how to do this. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take our base off. Now this is the previous model. It does not have the finger screw. This one's a physical. I'm gonna lay this down carefully. This is a physical screw. It's a flathead screw in the back. I hate flathead. Anybody that does any type of work understands that flatheads are just. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. I'm going lefty for the camera, okay? I'm not a lefty. Please don't kill me, lefty communities. I have nothing against lefties. They just ain't right. I guess that's why they got the finger. I guess that's why they have the finger screw now, right? Because of this, exactly. So there you go. That was the problem, and the solution is a different screw. So according to Sony, the side of the PlayStation without the PS logo, that's where you lift to this is where you lift to remove the cover. Okay, so it says hold here, up and slide. So we're gonna see if that works. Up. I feel like I'm gonna break it already. It's not working. Oh, yeah, it really was. Don't lift too much from here. It's really more of a slide than anything else, okay? So we'll go ahead and remove this panel here. Is that dirt? Yeah, that's all dirt. So all that, ladies and gentlemen, is dirt. So I'll clean that off eventually, but that goes to show how dirty this gets. So I'm assuming here that that's probably why these panels are so easy to slide off, because they get dirty. You might want to clean them or replace them, but whatever. Anyways, moving on out. So here we have the cap cover, whatever. We're gonna go ahead and remove that, and for this you do need a Phillips head screwdriver and a set of number 1 or whatever. Just make sure it fits. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that it's not that tight. Okay, so I got this little tiny mini screwdriver. Let me see if this other one works. Yeah, this one works too. So, you know, I got 2 different sizes here. They work. T-God, if you can get a close-up of this screw here, look at that. I like how it has the PlayStation buttons. I don't know if you can see that or not. There, right there, right? You see that? Yeah, so that's pretty cute. That's so cute. It really is. Like, that would be the perfect definition for it. You put your buttons on a screw. So you're supposed to be able to just lift this panel here, okay? Remove. So you do have this pin here. I call it a pin. I don't know. It's just kind of like a washer, a thick washer or whatnot. Now you're gonna remove this screw and you're gonna put that washer to the size of your SD card. Not SD card, excuse me, your SSD. Okay, so whatever size your SSD, it's my understanding that these are millimeter measurements, either you're 30, 42, 60, or 80 millimeters long. 110, I think last time we had this discussion, you were about 55 millimeters is where you're at. Oh, okay. So if anybody wants to know, T-God's 55 millimeters, according to him. Still going strong. Like I said, cooling, don't forget. Requirements, don't forget. Don't just go out and buy a M.2 SSD. Make sure you read the specifications and make sure you buy one that meets Sony's recommendations. It's the best way to go. You can watch other YouTube videos also. They give you all kinds of details, ideas, breakdowns, and everything. Like I said, we don't hate. Watch them all. Educate yourself. But at the end of the day, Sony is Sony. If you do what they say, then at least you got that going for you. You know, hey, you told me to. But I'll always go with manufacturer specs. Why not? Okay, so we have the SSD card here. Now, it's only gonna go in one way. From my angle, you can see the indentation. So you see the small indentation there, and then, you know, the large segment there. So you don't have to worry about whether it's this way or this way. It is definitely this way. It won't fit any other way, or either that, or it's gonna just make me look like a fool right now, like a USB. And I'm just, you know, supposed to just go in kind of standing up, not standing up, but kind of at an angle, and then boom, down it goes. Here's the pin. Okay, we're gonna put the pin there at 80 because this one's bigger than T-Got. We're just gonna screw it down. What's my torque on this?
5.
He said 5. I'm gonna recommend like a 2.5, maybe a 3. For anybody that's trying to figure out what a 2.5 or a 3 or a 5 torque is, it's a joke. Just please don't Google it, or just go ahead, figure it out. Now remember, again, requirements, cooling, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and remember, go to Sony and get all your specifications. Don't come back and blame me for blowing up your PlayStation. and then this cover just goes right back on. The cute little screw. I'm recommending about a 4 on this one, okay? Then we will slide this back on. I'm trying to figure out how it goes. Oh, so look, these are the hooks. So you can kind of see that it's supposed to slide out, and then when you put it in, it's supposed to pop, you know? See? So there you go, you see them? Oh yeah, you're getting some good shots of those hooks, look. Yeah. It's kind of self-explanatory. It should be very difficult to mess this up, okay? So it's on there, slide into place, it popped, we're good to go. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, it really is that easy. Even I did it. Like I said, I had minimal instructions. I went out to Sony's website just to make sure. I watched one YouTube video and that was it. So very, very minimal information. Again, there's tons of details. There's a bunch of videos that get into serious details. That's not what I'm here for. I'm here to let you know that anybody can do this. Make sure you get the right materials, the right equipment. But other than that, it was quick. This video is 15 minutes long, I think, and that's because I'm sitting here joking around playing games and you know, explaining things to you. But if I were to pop this on and off, I could easily do it in a minute or two. So we're good to go. Logic and binary here at LB Dexter. T got anything else? That's it, man. We're out. I shouldn't have hit it.
Yeah, hey, we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof